In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the ready-made Ready Classroom slides and import them into Keynote so you have the ability to annotate and lead an instructional model that is very similar to what you would do inside the classroom. So you can notice here that I'm actually in the Teacher Toolbox already. So I'm going to again select the lesson and scroll down a little bit until I find the slides. They are already nicely separated into, in this case, 3 different sessions. You generally have the Explore, Develop, and Refine. Some lessons have multiple develops or multiple explores or multiple refines depending on the content in that lesson. So I'm going to choose the session that I will be teaching that day and then select Open. Now when you get this option, notice that it is a PowerPoint file. So Apple's native tool for PowerPoints is Keynote. I'm going to actually select View. I'm not going to download it, I'm going to select View. It's going to open it in what looks like a PDF. Up at the top, we call this the Apple Share icon. I'm going to select that Apple Share icon. Then over here, I'm going to scroll until I see Keynote. If you don't see Keynote, you can always select More and make sure Keynote is in there. So I'm going to select Keynote. It's going to automatically transfer that slide presentation into a Keynote file. While in the Keynote file, you'll be able to go into presentation mode. So here I have the Keynote. Off to the left, I can select the different slides. When I'm ready, if I want to edit something, obviously I can select Edit, but when I'm ready to actually teach this lesson, I will select the Play button. Now, when I want to move to the next slide, I can swipe left and right to go back and forth. And if I get to this spot and I'm like, man, I really want to annotate, I hold a finger down on the screen and you're going to see annotation tools pop up. Not only that, you have this great laser pointer that you can use to draw attention to a particular area of that slide. And then I have some basic colors here. So if I want to write, I can actually write on the line. And this one writed the value of each digit, so we can write 800 here. This one's worth 50, and this one's worth 2. And using my finger, I can go to the next slide, and if I go back, it's still there. The beautiful thing is if I want that to disappear, I can just click on Done. After I select Done, it's gone, and now I can go to the next one. So that is the easy way to take a session slide that's already made for Ready Math. You can use this to facilitate your instruction, and you can annotate on it at the same time using the Keynote app.